Hey guys, welcome back to Apple Tech Review. Today we are back with unboxing of Galaxy A16. This is a late review, but today we are going to have unboxing and we'll see what comes on this Galaxy A16. So let's go ahead and we do unboxing, guys, without wasting time. So this is it. On the box we have this showing the model number, then we have this one showing serial number, then we have the color, we have size of the RAM and size of the ROM, then we have the serial numbers here on the box. Yeah, so that is the only thing that we have. Then here we have series, and also here we have another series. Yeah, it's made in Vietnam, as you can see here, guys. So let's go ahead and we do unboxing. Yeah, so guys, this is what comes in the box. If you're interested in owning a Samsung and you want a Samsung of low price, you can go for this Samsung A16. It comes with a Type-C, C to C, USB type. Then it comes with this SIM pin. It comes with a quick start guide. And then this is the Samsung Galaxy A16. As you can see, it has top notch here. You can see it has a small notch here of camera notch. Let's go ahead and we switch it on. So as you remember, guys, like in previous notes, when you switch on Samsung, it comes with the number, the model number, also the Samsung name. But now in this current Android, it was removed. What we see is only Samsung Galaxy. And yeah, so let's go ahead and we switch it on. We say the settings, then we shall do another video about the review of Samsung Galaxy A16. Yeah, guys, so compared to previous Samsung Galaxy A15, A14, so far this is the one of the tech that has been improved on the camera and also on the screen display compared to other Galaxies in series of A1. Yeah, so let's go ahead and we say the Android. As you can see, it comes with the Android 14, which is a bit more faster compared to previous one. Then, guys, as you see, it has also UI version 6.1 compared to previous ones, which are more behind. So, guys, that was an unboxing for this phone. We shall also do a review. Don't forget to like and subscribe on this channel so that you can receive a notification next time we upload another video. So guys, what I forgot to tell you, if you say search on the boxing, know that this is a UAE version. It was made for UAE version, so I always know that. You can also go into the settings. If you want to check the version, can go into the settings. You go like open settings, scroll down to about phone here, then you will say here United Arab Emirates. Yeah. So guys, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.